This 2017 Highland Ridge Open Range Light 293 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Highland Ridge is 35 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep's 4, smoke detector, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, slide-out, water heater, refrigerator, air conditioning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Highland Ridge Open Range Light 293 RLS is 8,900 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.